Welcome to Complete K12 Essentials. Algebra Glossary, Word 2. Word term number 2. Variable expression, made up of numbers, an operation, and variable. In the most basic form, one number is separated by a plus, minus, division, or multiplication symbol, with the variable on the other side. The variable y represents an unknown number. Y by itself is a term, as is 5 by itself. Together, they are a variable expression. Well, that was fun. Learning is always fun. Safe learning place. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel